Hi guys, and welcome to Ezeka on the Move, and I'm your host, Lizanne Lazarus. So today on the show, we're going to be talking about Women's Day and still incorporating our theme for today, which is building your image. So we went out to the wedding expo that was happening at Moses Mabhida Stadium, and we got some cool clips for you guys, just in case you want to get married or have the thought of it. So check this out.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
What is the most popular design or the thing that's most trending in terms of dresses?
Most brides come in for a mermaid, which is puts it all the way down and flares towards the bottom. But when they come in for the mermaid, they 9 out of 10 times opt for a ball gown. Because once they got the ball gown on, that's when they feel like a true bride. So ball gowns are very.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure, thank you.
Thank you.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love.
Yeah, your venue makes or breaks your day. You don't want to have any stress, so you need a venue that's smooth lines, everything, and has everything under control, so that you can actually just enjoy the day and have fun with it. It shouldn't feel like you're following a schedule on the day, so your venue needs to be organized and do that all for you. That's it.
When I met you in the summer.
So that was Wedding Expo. I hope you guys enjoy that. And as you can see, women take their wedding day very, very seriously, and image is so important on your wedding day. So that brings me to my next segment. And this segment is about your skincare and a skincare range that is sure to help you. They're my favorites and they help me, so I'll let you in on a little secret. So these products are sponsored by Gateway, and these are the Neutrogena products, and they are absolutely perfect for any types of skin. But I specifically like it because, you know, in this exam season, especially on campus, when there's exam season, you tend to stress and break out. So this first one is what I started with, and it's the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Correct and Perfect Complexion Scrub. Now, I use this almost every single day, even though people say use it like 2 or 3 times a week, but I use it almost every single day. And this can be used during the day, and it is like a scrub. It exfoliates the skin, but the thing that I like the most is that it still keeps it moisturized, so there's no dry skin. And then my personal favorite that I'll never look back at, this one's called the Deep Clean Invigorating Foaming Scrub. Now, especially for females, we use a lot of makeup and our pores tend to get blocked. Now what this does is it has microbeads, and it absolutely exfoliates and extracts everything from the underneath of your skin, what's within the pores. So this is perfect, and it leaves your skin feeling so tingly and fresh and light and clean. So these two are definitely a must, and they're my favorite, and you can get them at any Clicks, at Dis-Chem, any shop in Gateway. So yeah, definitely try it.
So today I hijacked one of my classmates. Not only because she looks rather on point every single day, but because she's married. Only God knows how she does it with 2 kids as well. And I have Zama here with me. Zama, it's so nice to have you.
Thank you.
And do a formal interview to ask you, how the hell do you stay that snazzy every single day?
I'm not sure. It's just, it's
Natural.
something that, not natural, it's something that makes me feel good. So at some point I decided that I will make sure that no matter what, I look the way I would like to feel.
And that's amazing. You do it every single. There's literally not a day that you come to campus not looking on point. It's every single day.
Thank you.
So Zama, you married and you know the experience of going through the preparations for preparing for a wedding and on your wedding day. How does it feel
preparing for all that while, and then on your wedding day to finally be in that gown and experience everything. How is that feeling as a young lady?
What is nice and not nice is the planning. The nice part is when your ideas, your dreams, they come together. The not nice part is the stress that comes with it. And then on the day, I wish people would not do what I did. I was so caught up in making sure that everything becomes the way I had planned them to be. So on the day, it felt so good, but I was just rushing. My mind was ahead of the moment. So when I look back, I should have enjoyed more, but it was awesome.
Oh, that's
It was
amazing.
nice.
So would you say that it was your fairy tale wedding?
Yes, it was. Because every little thing was exactly the way I wanted. Even my thank you gifts and everything. I planned everything. I was my own personal planner. I was making sure that everything, and I had family to help. So it was exactly as I had visioned it.
So do you think it's better to have a wedding planner, or for the bride herself to actually be involved with the main planning of the day?
It's both important, because when you have someone, you can rely on someone else. And then the bride has to be involved so that there is nothing uncommunicated and you are sure about everything that goes on. If you are a control freak like me, I wanted to be sure that everything is on point.
So what is the one thing that you enjoyed the most on your wedding day?
Enjoyed, or I loved the most.
Both.
Okay. I loved my wedding dress because it was unique, and I loved the fact that I did my own makeup and it was on point. And I did my bridesmaid's makeup and
Wow.
it was on point. Like, I was surprised at myself. And what I enjoyed was the cultural, traditional part, when I had the beads and everything covering my
Wow.
face. I think it looked amazing. I think it looked awesome.
Thank you so much for joining us on our show today, and I have to say, you look amazing.
Oh my God, thank you
Thank you so much and enjoy your day.
Thanks.
So that's it for today's show, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm your host, Lizanne Lazarus, and this is Izzy Congo.